How to ask someone out in person or over text. Asking someone out on a date is the greatest way to express your intentions, whether you've just noticed a cutie across the room or you've had a crush on a friend for a while. Even while the prospect of rejection can be frightening, the regret of not asking someone out is terrible. Read on for advice from professionals on how to summon the confidence to make the first move and ask someone out. Things to be aware of. Choose an activity in advance that suits your possible date's preferences. You may invite them to a sporting event, concert, or museum. Ask them how they are and what they've been doing lately to start a discussion and create small talk. Be as explicit as you can when asking them out, and include a date and time. If the other individual declines, assure them that there are no hard feelings and go on to the next potential match. 1. Engage in discourse. You can ease into asking the question and lessen some of your potential anxiety by striking up a friendly discussion first. Make small talk by inquiring about their well-being or future goals. 2. Find out if they want to go on a date by asking them. Be clear and concise in your requests so that they can grasp them. Based on what you know about the person, suggest an activity that you believe they will enjoy, and include a precise date and time. 3. Let them know there won't be any repercussions if they refuse. Particularly if you recently asked out a close friend who you intend to keep seeing frequently, doing this will help avoid any awkwardness in the future. More significantly, it will demonstrate to the other person that you are self-assured and experienced enough to deal with some rejection. Last but not least, and by far the most important thing, just do it. Have some fun and take care. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.